for these twin sisters who climbed Mount Everest recently. So my question is related to the development of outdoor industry, outdoor sports industry through the corporate. Once we had a meeting with the sports minister and he himself acknowledged that presently there is no strategic development approach to the development outdoor industry. So this is one field I feel the corporate could take a lead role because we have a great opportunity in the country to develop it. So I would like to have your views on this.
There's two particular panelists, or are you just asking it generally? I think Mr. Mahendra should answer. Would you mind taking them on, or somebody on the outdoor? The daughters have just joined.
Yeah, no training. In fact, we have supported one name I remember is Mamta Sudha. She's now appointed as DSP in Haryana government. We have supported her a couple of times, and one or two more people. I don't remember their names now. So as I said, we have nothing like the sector of these many games, and nothing like indoor, outdoor. Wherever people do well, we come forward to help them. In case you have any such proposal, please tell us. I speak to Mamta Sudha. We have given her everything to climb Mount Everest, right from the gears that she needed and to the money that she needed to go to the place and all sort of things.
I think it's more for connect. I think you might come into conferences like this, you meet people like him and other people. So, any other questions?
Yeah, myself Tarun. Sir, good morning everyone. Myself Tarun Sharma, work PGDM from IIM Rohtak and working with Fitness 365 as a relationship manager. I just want to know from the panelists, like 2% is compulsory for all the organizations, and now all the organizations started
more
CSR.
than 500 CR.
Yeah, yes, for the companies who are for this law is compulsory. So they started this using as a marketing activities. Like companies are using CSR activities for improving their image in front of the stakeholders and the customers. So I just want to know, like using CSR as a marketing strategy is right or wrong, and not only in the short term, also in the long term, because the law is just started. So what are the consequences will be taken care of in the future? So I just want to know the views of the panelists.
Please take it out, both of you. I think you're the corporates and you need to clarify yourself.
I think first of all, to think of CSR as something that will enhance the brand image should not be the reason why one should take CSR in the first place. And that may be also a reason why if you look at PepsiCo India, you may not know much about our CSR activities, because we generally believe that it is our work that should speak and not that we should. Why we also have a sustainability report where it's more about accountability. And I think the same ethos and the same philosophy also runs through the new mandate that is there, which is talking about using the corporate efficiency and effectiveness imparted not to business only but also to development projects. And therefore there is a requirement for a policy, for a monitoring protocol, for baseline surveys, impact assessments, and so therefore it is much more robust an investment, and it leads to nation building. I think that's.
But what he's asking is that the companies pull out of CSR money and try and project it as a CSR, but it's actually a marketing gimmick rather than business. That's what am I correct?
Yeah. I think it should not be used for brand enhancement.
Wants to add something on this.
I just wanted to add something.
Let's speak for 10 seconds on this. Now let me tell you that in ONGC we are into business of E&P, that's exploration and production. We don't do even marketing of oil and gas, it's only exploration we do. I think in CSR we spend about something between 400 to 450 crores every year. And this doesn't affect our business at all. I mean, if we say this has been done by ONGC, it doesn't affect our business because we are not into marketing. So I don't think this is right to say that we do it for marketing.
I just wanted to add that in case it's being spent on marketing, then the best way to spend it is invest in a sports person who will get a medal at the Olympics, because there can't be a better brand building than that.
And use them as a role model.
Yeah.
A brand ambassador or somebody. Preeti, I think it's very necessary for you to put some point.
The last word, in the beginning I said that, I'm still debating whether, when we talk of sports, whether we should call it CSR or it should be sports development. For us in Reliance, it is sports development. We are taking different routes, different models, but definitely marketing
corporate
doesn't
sports responsibility.
Yes, maybe. And the model we have had, and the question is, I think more corporates should come and adopt sports, you know. I mean, then what will happen is there will be less burden on Tata's, Reliance and ONGC and few companies. If a sports is taken by corporates and you do everything, you do grassroots, you do marketing, you do tournaments, you do, help, the sports people, and it has to be a long term, in everything, holistically. Our business plan for football is 15 years, basketball is 30 years. And we don't know, maybe, I don't know where I'll be, but we'll continue. So it has to be a long-term commitment, yeah. Sorry? Yeah, thank you much. I think that's a nice note to end.
And I think any more questions quickly, we just want to give you a small, quick one, because Murad has a very important thing to show all of us. He's doing a movie, so it's we just want to have a clip see and understand what he's, and then I would like Murad to say one or two sentences about the movie.
Hello everybody, this is Anshul and I'm a PhD scholar in University of Delhi, Physical Education. And my question is 2% ratio good enough for n number of sports going on at the same point? Or is it correct as it's going on that we highlight some sports at a time and promote them as it is going on?
I will take this on as we must make it clear this 2% is not for sports.
No sir,
This is
correct.
CSR.
Some part of that goes to
One.
sports.
Second is how much you get out of it.
Right.
And if you start to get greedy at this point of time, I think probably we may not get anything right in the beginning. So at least first fight what we can get out of this 2% of CSR, 0.5, 0.2, 0.3, 1.5, 1.9. That is again a figure what we get, and then maybe we take the next step when we reach that particular place. Now can I request Khushbu to play that and.